Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at one of our hot new listings in Fountain Valley. We're here at 18684 Sandy Ynez Street in Fountain Valley. Awesome interior tract, family home. Been totally redone. So we're here today, it's Saturday, and we're doing our taco open house. It's always a big hit, people love it. We've got Los Mojicas tacos here, so if you guys want the best tacos in Orange County and probably surrounding counties, we've got what do we got? We got chicken,
pastor, asado.
Asada. We got carne. We got some pork. It's delicious. They got homemade salsas. It's always rice and beans and chips. And so I didn't know this. You guys even have your own like seasoning. That's rad. That's the next big hit. So we're gonna do a quick little tour of the house. So like I said, interior track location, which is awesome. You're across the street from these houses, are maybe a little bit bigger, but they're like, $2 million plus. So we're listed at $1.6 million basically, and expecting it to go higher because it's such an awesome house. When you come inside, you'll see why. But about 2,200 square feet, a little bit over 2,200 square feet. Two-door entry here. Everything's been redone. So new laminate floors throughout the house, scraped ceilings, recessed lights, big, nice kitchen. So you got lots of countertop and cabinet space. You got a wine fridge, all sort of matte black finishes, new appliances everywhere. Got a dining area, so everything's nice and open. Like I said, stainless steel, Samsung appliances there. Got a little sitting bar area here in the kitchen, which is nice. A wraparound countertop and cabinet. So like I said, lots of countertop and cabinet space. Have shelves, nice backsplash. Got sort of the wood beam ceilings, nice fireplace, right? So we can add cozy to the list of options here. Backyard is phenomenal. We're on about a 7,200 square foot lot, so really big lots here in Fountain Valley. Block walls all around you, so the nice, you don't have to worry about wood fences that are deteriorating, but plenty of room here if you wanted to put a pool and a hot tub and make it just a luxurious backyard. You got all the space to do that. Probably have room for an ADU if you wanted to check into that, I suppose. And then we'll go upstairs where you got 4 beautiful bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So as we head up that way, you'll see space over here for the fridge. Laminate floors throughout the whole house. You do have a downstairs half bathroom for guests. And as we make our way upstairs to this fine estate, you've got a nice hallway bathroom with a shower tub. Again, all new vanity, new water fixtures, light fixtures, everything. So we'll head over to the master bedroom. Lots of good closet space. You have an in-suite bathroom, separate shower tub area, or sort of shower and toilet area there. There's no tub here, but a step-in shower. And then one of the secondary bedrooms, what's nice is the front of the house has a big long patio and balcony, so you have access from 2 of the bedrooms here. You can see this is a huge bedroom. There's a closet here and a closet there, so you could sort of make it into 2 bedrooms if you really wanted to. Obviously, it's a really big 1 bedroom now, so 4 bedrooms upstairs. So we've got 2 other bedrooms over here. Again, it's nice, all laminate floors, new handles, door handles. You got dual pane windows throughout the house. It's all fresh and beautiful and ready to go. So we'll be here today for 12 to 5, tomorrow, I think from 12 to 5, or sounds about right. Yeah, so Saturday, Sunday, come check out this great house. This is for $1.6 million. And it's been really busy so far. People love this neighborhood, love the schools that it matriculates to. Great family house, great family neighborhood. This is just one of those top neighborhoods that people want to be in. So come check us out. We'd love to see you and show you this great house. Call us, text us, hit us on social media with any questions, and hope to see you here soon. Thanks.